So we got an ABS code uh, from an F150, and the problem was that the wire harness is broken. So the wire harness is really broken. If you look at this, it got pinched. It's supposed to be here, like that. So the problem was that they added a second pipe, converted this into a dual exhaust, and then rerouted the pipe over here. They did not make a bend, a proper bend, and when the F-150 has a heavy load, it pretty much like bumped the exhaust pipe. And the problem with that, during the bump, since this wire is located over here, it pretty much pinched it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this wire and resolder it. Okay, got it all connected, soldered, and I'm just gonna shrink wrap it. There's like a red to red and black to black. Actually, it's like a stripe red and a stripe black. See, they should match.